Curiosities about the depths of the ocean.
Number 12. How a tsunami happens. A tsunami is a large, devastating wave that is caused by a sudden displacement of the ocean's surface. This displacement can be the result of an earthquake, a volcanic eruption, or a landslide, and is usually caused by the sudden movement of the seafloor. When the displacement occurs, a series of waves is created that travel in all directions, away from the source of the disturbance. The energy of the waves is tremendous, and they can travel at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour. Once they reach shore, the wave can reach heights of up to several hundred feet, causing massive damage and destruction upon landfall. Number 11. Corals produce their own sunscreen. The sun emits UV radiation, which can cause damage over long exposure. Corals living in shallow, sunlit waters have evolved a fascinating solution. They produce their own sunscreen. Corals contain a chemical called mycosporin-like amino acids, MOS, that act like a natural sunscreen. MOS are generated in the tissue of the coral and acts as a protective shield from the sun's UV radiation. This natural sunscreen also helps keep the coral in good condition. With the help of MOS, coral can survive in their shallow, sunlit homes and provide an incredibly valuable and beautiful habitat for many ocean species. Number 10. How TNT is used to measure great depths. TNT, or trinitrotoluene, is an explosive chemical compound commonly used in mining, demolition, and military operations. In recent years, it has been utilized in a novel way to measure the great depths of the ocean, by using large amounts of TNT to create an underwater sonic wave. This sonic wave is detected by instruments on the ocean floor and in the water column, and the time it takes for the wave to travel to the instrument is used to measure depth. This technique is known as seismic survey. Scientists are able to use seismic survey to map out the ocean floor and measure depths up to 10,000 meters. Number 9. Extreme pressure. The depths of the ocean contain some of the most extreme pressures found on the planet. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, for example, is over 1,000 times greater than atmospheric pressure at sea level. That is equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a person. To put this force into perspective, the human body could not even survive the pressure found 10,000 feet below sea level. The pressure is so great that it is able to deform and break apart even the most durable materials. For this reason, deep-sea exploration is limited and requires special equipment in order to withstand the extreme conditions. Number 8. Largest deep-sea fish. The ocean is full of mysteries and curiosities, and the depths of the ocean are no exception. One of the most interesting curiosities about the depths of the ocean is the largest deep-sea fish. This title belongs to the colossal squid, Mesonychoteuthis hamiltoni, which can grow up to an astonishing 46 feet in length and weigh up to 1,650 pounds. This giant creature is found throughout the Southern Ocean and is an incredibly elusive species. It has been spotted by very few people, and most of what is known about the species has come from specimens that have been accidentally pulled up in fishing nets. This giant deep-sea fish has the biggest eyes of any known animal, and its tentacles are equipped with sharp hooks, allowing it to snag prey in the dark depths of the ocean. Number 7. Deepest point on Earth. The deepest point on Earth is the Mariana Trench located in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands. It is an estimated 11,033 meters, 36,198 feet deep and is located near the boundary of two tectonic plates. It was first discovered in 1875 by the HMS Challenger and was first explored in 1960 by the Trieste submersible piloted by Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh. The Mariana Trench is home to some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. The water pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, and temperatures are close to freezing year-round. Many scientists believe that the trench is likely home to unique species of deep-sea organisms adapted to life in such extreme conditions. Number 6. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a fascinating phenomenon found in the depths of the ocean, and it is estimated that 90% of the ocean's animals are capable of producing light. In the deepest parts of the ocean, the environment is very dark and the lack of sunlight means that animals need to rely on bioluminescence for survival. Bioluminescence is the production of light by living organisms, and it is used to attract prey, hide from predators, communicate with other creatures, and even to find mates. Some creatures use bioluminescence for camouflage, where they glow the same color as the light coming from the surface above, while other creatures produce a burst of light to startle prey or deter predators. Different creatures produce different types of light, such as blue, green, and red, and the brightness of the bioluminescence can vary from faint glows to flashes that can be seen from miles away. Bioluminescence truly adds to the mystery and beauty of the ocean depths. Number 5. Mars is better mapped than the ocean floor. The depths of the ocean are largely unexplored. While missions to explore the depths of the ocean have been occurring since the 1960s, the ocean floor is still largely a mystery. The ocean floor is so vast and challenging to explore that only about 5 to 7% of it has been mapped using sonar technology. Furthermore, much of what we know about the ocean floor has been collected from samples taken by deep-sea submarines, which often only provide limited information. In comparison, the surface of Mars has been much more extensively mapped. The surface of Mars has been photographed by satellites and explored by rovers, resulting in an extensive understanding of the planet's terrain, geology, and climate. This demonstrates the great difficulty of exploring the ocean floor, and suggests that the depths of the ocean still have many mysteries to uncover. Number 4. Only 3 people have visited the depths of the Challenger Deep. The Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest known point in the ocean. It is estimated to be 10,924 meters, 35,840 feet deep, and is located around 200 miles southwest of the U.S. island territory of Guam. Despite its immense depth, only 3 people have ever visited the Challenger Deep in person. The first was the oceanographer Jacques Piccard, who, along with U.S. Navy Lieutenant Donald Walsh, descended to the bottom of the trench in the submersible Trieste in 1960. The second was the filmmaker James Cameron, who, in 2012, descended to the bottom of the trench in the deep-sea Challenger submersible. The third was Victor Lott, who descended to the bottom of the Challenger Deep in the Haddle Lander submersible in 2019. Number 3. Deeper than Mount Everest. The average depth of the ocean is 12,000 feet, 3,658 meters. This is much deeper than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth, which stands at 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, high. It is estimated that nearly 80% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, and as much as 95% of the underwater world remains unexplored. The deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, is located in the western Pacific and reaches a depth of 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. This is more than 1.5 times deeper than Mount Everest is high. Scientists have discovered that the ocean floor is full of unique and fascinating creatures that can survive in the extreme conditions found there. Many of these creatures are unknown to science, and their potential to help us unlock the mysteries of the deep ocean is still largely unexplored.
Number 2. The ocean is full of gold. No, the ocean is not literally full of gold. What is sometimes referred to as ocean gold is actually a type of sedimentary rock known as pyrite. Pyrite, sometimes referred to as fool's gold because of its metallic luster and resemblance to actual gold, is primarily composed of iron and sulfur. It can be found near hydrothermal vents in the depths of the ocean. More rare forms of actual gold can also be found in the ocean in the form of flakes. Gold flakes can form in the ocean as a result of natural erosion of minerals such as quartz. However, this is incredibly rare, and it is estimated that only about 1/1,000,000th of a gram of gold can be found in each ton of sediment. Number 1. The bloop. The bloop is an unidentified underwater sound detected by the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, in 1997. The sound was heard in the South Pacific Ocean and lasted for approximately 1 minute. A similar sound, called the slowdown, has been heard since 1991. The bloop is an intriguing mystery because its source is unknown. The sound was too loud and low-pitched to be caused by any known animal or geological event. Scientists hypothesize that the bloop could be caused by a large sea creature, possibly a giant squid, but there is no conclusive evidence to support this theory. Additionally, the bloop was recorded thousands of miles away from its original location, suggesting that its source is moving. The bloop is an example of the many mysteries that still remain in the depths of the ocean. Despite great advances in technology, the ocean remains largely unexplored. Hey there everyone! Thanks for joining us as we explored the depths of the ocean and all its mysterious curiosities. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join us as we explore all the amazing curiosities around the world. See you next time.